Hey everyone, welcome to the first video in my How to Crochet series. Similar to my How to Knit series, in this series I'll be going through different crochet stitches and techniques, starting from the very basics and working up. In this video I'll be showing you how to crochet the chain stitch. To start off with, you'll need a crochet hook. I'm using this 8mm or L hook, depending on which terminology you use, and of course some yarn. To start off with, you'll need to tie a slip knot. There are many ways to do this, but my favourite way is to take the yarn and lay it across your palm, and then wrap it twice around your first finger. Take the first loop, or the loop closest to your hand, and move it over the second loop, and then take the second loop and move it over the first loop and off your finger. Then just pull the long end attached to the ball to tighten the knot. Slip the loop onto your crochet hook and tighten it up, not too much, but enough so that it's not really loose. You'll need to take your yarn in your left hand. To do this, put it in between your pinky and your ring finger, over the top of your two middle fingers, and behind your first finger. And I like to pinch somewhere close to the hook with my middle finger and thumb. I find this way the easiest way to maintain tension as you crochet. Now, all you need to do to chain is take your hook, wrap it in front and behind the yarn, and then pull it back through the loop on your hook. Take your hook, yarn over by wrapping it in front and behind the hook, catching the yarn on the hook and pulling it back through the stitch already on your hook. Again, take your hook in front and behind the yarn, catching the yarn with the hook and pulling it back through your stitch. Take your hook, wrap it in front and behind the yarn, wrap the hook over and pull it through the stitch. And that is how you crochet a chain. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you would subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any crochet stitches or techniques that you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!